Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it. You know what you got to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Greatly appreciated, and it goes a long way. Today, man, I am excited. Like, this is dope. Like, beyond words, this is dope. Tinker and Michelob ULTRA were designing NBA bottles. Excuse the sweat. I was outside. I'm just excited. Tinker and Michelob ULTRA were doing a promotion for these design bottles. The bottles were designed by Tinker Hatfield for the NBA Finals, and I was under the assumption that they were going for sale. They said they will be available after the NBA Finals, so I'm assuming it was going to be a website. They just said they'll provide information. It wasn't too detailed. So after the NBA Finals, I didn't see anything, so I tweeted Michelob on Twitter and asked, "Hey, what's going on with the drop for the Tinker Hatfield bottle?" And they didn't respond. Shortly after that, they sent me a DM saying, "Hey, since you're a fan of our product, send us a message and send us your address and your info, and we'll send you something special." So I saw earlier they were giving away like hats and bags. So I was under the assumption that they were giving away hats and bags because they didn't really answer me directly. So I'm like, okay, well, I guess I got a bag or something. I guess they delayed it or whatever. Paid it no mind. I eventually got shipping from them. And well, from a company, I got notification that I got shipped because they never sent me anything. They never mailed me or said, "Hey, we sent something yet." I just got notification from UPS app. When I opened it, it said print promotion. So I assumed that was them. Came in just now, literally like 10 minutes ago. And this is dope, man. Look at this box. So I'm opening it. I'm thinking that it's like the hat or a jacket or something. And when I saw the side of this label say Michelob ULTRA Championship Bottle designed in Beaverton, Oregon, I flipped out. Like, this is insane. Insane. I'm gonna open the box up. I'm gonna let you guys see it. It's heavy too. You can see here it has the Tinker Hatfield logo and the Michelob ULTRA logo, and this is dope, man. This is dope. It looks like a shoebox actually, and it says Tinker Hatfield here on the side. It looks almost like a shoebox. You would think it is. And then when you open it up, it says Michelob ULTRA, and it has Tinker Hatfield signature, a collab built for champions, designed by a sneaker legend, never sold, only worn. And I actually have bottle 33 of 105. So there were only 105 of these made in the world, and I was able to get bottle number 33 of this, man. This is dope. This is dope, man. So let's get to opening it, man. As you can see, it has this lid here on the bottle. It says not for sale. This is dope. And then here it's a letter. What happens when a legendary sneaker designer collabs with the superior light beer, an NBA championship bottle that merges sneaker culture with the on-court glory, a drop that pushes back against the status quo and can't be bought, only worn, built from blueprint to bottle by Tinker Hatfield to forever celebrate winners at the highest level. If you're reading this, then you can count yourself among them. Maybe you drink it or maybe you don't. Either way, it's only worth it if you enjoy it. Signed by Michelob ULTRA and Tinker Hatfield. As you can see, it says not for sale on here too. This is dope, man. I'm gonna show you guys the bottle. You can check that out. This is dope. Like, this is super dope. And then on the side of the bottle, like between the nets on the bottom, I'm gonna try to twist it a little bit. I don't want to open it, but you can see some of the NBA championship teams and the years that they won on here. I'll try to get some B-roll of if you guys can't see that. But yeah, it has teams and the years that they won the championships on here on the bottle, man. This is dope. The packaging, the boxing. This is not for sale. I am not selling it. Do not DM me. Do not send me a message. Not for sale. We'll be keeping. I don't drink beer, so I'm not even opening it. This is strictly for display. 33 of 105. This is not being sold. Forget about it. This is dope. This is dope, man. Thank you to Michelob ULTRA for sending me that DM. It is greatly appreciated. 33 of 105. This is dope, man. I just wanted to hurry up and show this to you guys, man, and get this out. I just got it in, so like I said, I'm sweating. I'm about to go out here and get on this pit for my son's birthday party. I just wanted to show you guys this video. Greatly appreciate it. Michelob Ultra, Tinker Hatfield. Thank you for tuning in, and until the next video, you guys be cool.